Jake gazed out at the west blue ocean, feeling the sun's warmth on his face and the soft sand between his toes. He had missed the beach while working all summer at his new job in the city. But now, to celebrate National Beach Day, he was making the most of his day off, embracing all his favorite things about the beach: the rhythmic waves, the salty breeze, the striking coastal vistas stretching endlessly into the horizon. Established in 2014, National Beach Day on August 30th aims to highlight the importance of beaches as a recreation spaces, national habitats and drivers of tourism. Beaches provide opportunities for swimming, sunbathing, surfing, and sandcastle building. They are home to birds, fish, turtles, and other wildlife. And beach vacations contribute significantly to many local economies. However, pollution, erosion, and overdevelopment threaten beach ecosystems and the benefits they provide. National Beach Day seeks to raise awareness of these issues and promote beach conservation efforts. People observe National Beach Day by flocking to beaches for a day of enjoyment and community-driven activities. Beach clean-ups are organized to collect litter and ensure a safe habitat for wildlife. Educational events teach sustainability best practices to children and beachgoers. Many parks and recreation groups host special beach bonfires, volleyball tournaments, and more to bring awareness to how beaches enrich lives through recreation. Local businesses like surf shops, seafood restaurants, and beach gear supplies offer promotions and sales to celebrate the holiday. As Jake swam in the energizing ocean waves, his appreciation for the beach deepened. His responsibilities in the city now seemed worth away. He gained a renewed sense of vigor from his day of leisure at the beach. National Beach Day serves as an important reminder of how we must work to protect beaches so that they remain clean and accessible for all to experience and enjoy, whether for recreation or repose, adventure or tranquility. Make time this August 30th to appreciate your local beach and the simple moments to be found there. A perfect seashell, laughter shared with loved ones, quiet contemplation of a sunset's glowing sky. Even small actions like picking up litter or signing a petition to conserve coastal habitats can make a difference. Our beaches collect us to fond memories, new beginnings, and the natural rhythm of the earth. Let's make sure they continue to do so for generations. The beach awaits. Make the most of your day. Here is our painting with oil pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful National Beach Day. Cheers!